Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Versace 4360. This one is going to be the GB187 color. So it comes in this Versace black box with the gold emblem on the top. Inside you're going to get the Versace hard case, a big one. Comes with the Versace cloth. Comes with the manufacturer's booklet. It's made by Luxottica. And it comes with the warranty booklet. So this case, it's a very standard case of Versace. Most of the sunglasses will come in this one. So inside we're gonna get the glasses. Let me just show you the inside real quick. It has the Versace logo on the inside. So this is a men's frame. It's personally not my style, but if you can rock it, that these are for men. With the lenses, it's actually a shield lens. Like when we say shield, it's one piece, so it's just one piece, even though it's split here, and it's kind of just barely like hanging on with this piece and the nose pad. The emblem on the side, it's gonna be with the black, what is it, the Medusa, and with the gold here, and the frames are made in Italy. It says Versace made in Italy, and on the other side it's gonna have your model information. It's the well, on the frames they put MOD, just model, so MOD.4360. It's going to be the GB187 color. GB1 is the frame color, black, and then 87 is the lens color. It's going to be gray. It's a pretty nice dark gray. And the sizing, it only has the temple sizing on here. It's 140. So with the sizing, it's going to be a 36mm bridge. 36mm is at the bottom, so it's going to get smaller and smaller. But it's going to be 36 here. It's going to be 140mm width. It's going to be 140mm lens width. So this part. So there's still a little space here. So the temple is going to be a little bit longer, technically. It's going to be 45mm lens height. From the longest part, so from here to here. So it does kind of curve in a little, outward, so it gets smaller on the outside. With the sizing, I would say it's like a in between medium to large. It's kind of going into large, but it's still medium. These do retail for $270. I do have to say it's extremely lightweight, very lightweight. I mean, most of the weight is on the temple, and it's not very heavy at all. The front is going to be quite light, so it's going to be quite nice to wear. It doesn't have spring hinges. Technically, the thing that kind of bends out is the lenses. But it does kind of bend a little bit to give you that extra space if you need it a little. So all the screws and the hinges are going to be gold as well. So it's going to be gold and black. Overall, a very nice looking frame. Like I said, I personally wouldn't choose this, but if you like the style, go for it. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, guys.